For every time he has been in the boxing ring, John the expensive boxer Laryea has dreamt about being a world champion. Since turning a professional boxer, Laryea has yet to suffer defeat with 13 wins and 1 draw in the 14 bouts he has fought. On November 1, the Ghanaian will get a first taste of international fights as he is set to face Nicaragua's Alexander Meija in Florida. Laryea tells Supersport he's looking to make his entourage proud.
I'm preparing me to buy Walen challenge. Me and ya fe Ghana proud Walen challenge ke inti me ni ke tun me and ya fe am fe proud. Aja ke eto me Walen challenge in le ninje. Ngene le ni ba she. Issue boko yansh me to ma ke Ghana be fan ke am ke solo mo ke am support anyisi aja ke me and ya raise Ghana flag.
Unlike Laryea, Meija has fought 28 times in his career and has had 9 defeats under his belt while claiming 19 wins. Laryea believes his opponent is as good as himself despite the greater number of losses. He remains focused on making a statement at the world stage.
Oh, your opponent a good boss and Walen challenge any get champion say no. But your opponent a good boss and Walen challenge get champion say no. Get champion you enjoy call banja must fish you off. But me promise Ghana be fan ke cannot out take cannot out ke back na.
The path to this fight hasn't been smooth for the 2-time WBO African featherweight champion, with several postponements along the way. However, under the guidance of renowned trainer Lawrence Kaoloko at the Bronze Boxing Gym, Laryea has maintained his preparation intensity.
Yeah, I mean, he's a lucky person or a boxer to have experienced trainer who have seen it all, in the sense that in boxing, even when you sign a contract, until the final day that you go to weigh in, still you have to wait and get to in the ring before you have a fight. So anything can happen. And when it happens that way, you just have to control yourself and just maintain yourself and just move on. So that is the kind of cycle I was giving to him.
Loco says Laryea needs to be attentive on the fight night if he is to go ahead to achieve greater things in his career and eventually claim a world title.
The key thing will be focus. You need to be focused and you need to be determined and listen to, the team or the kind of people around him, and he's good to go. The real one is when he get there. The real one is when he have the opportunity to go to the land of opportunity, then he can also see a lot of things over there.
As he prepares for his career-defining moment, Laryea has a message of hope for his supporters back home.
I know you want to me kase ni ololo ngbe kuna ni ena show bako mba ma shejeme ni me promise Ghana be fan keshi ene yani amenya stretch ko ni mi to ma ken coach wan ke this fight ne mi to ko ne e ke chumo yen yafo man non Ghana be fan ba to amede bia ne mi ya raise Ghana flag e ko ay Ghana wo be world title inshallah ke e cha 2026 nke world title ba Ghana.
The undefeated Ghanaian boxer will step into the ring at the Caribee Royale Orlando, seeking to extend his impressive record and move closer to his world championship dreams.